If you're a beginner trader, one of the skills which you need to develop and you need to develop as fast as possible is situational awareness. Any setup which you're going to trade in the market, its profitability or its success ratio is going to be a function of what kind of a phase the market is. So your ability to understand the situation and accordingly decide whether to trade aggressively or not trade aggressively, or to essentially find the right setup for the right kind of market condition is going to determine whether you're going to be successful in this business. So situational awareness is a skill which is a top layer skill which needs to be the beginning thing which you need to have at the end, beginning of any week, beginning of any month, beginning of any day, to decide what is the current situation. In this current situation, what kind of setups are going to work? Is my setup going to work in this condition? If it is not working, what should be my strategy? Sometimes, if you don't have the setup for the right market condition, the best strategy is to remain out of the market. This kind of a situational awareness becomes very critical when the market transitions from one phase to another. In a bull market, everything is working. A lot of time, people become complacent. They never develop the skill of situational awareness. And when the market starts going down, they're caught completely with their pants down. So if you don't want to be one of those traders who is constantly caught with his pants down, then develop situational awareness. In order to develop situational awareness, there are many ways to do it. Some people do it based on the actions of the indexes. Some people do it based on market breadth. Some people do it based on the chart pattern. Some people do it based on the kind of setups which are showing up in their scans. Always have this skill. And this is the key to survival and prospering in this business, which is developing situational awareness. The sooner you realize this and sooner you start working on developing your situational awareness skill, the higher is the probability that you will make it in this business.